My name's Mr. Wier, as I hope you know by now. I am really excited to be here at the end of summer preparing for class. I, just like you, am really excited for my first days of chemistry. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to give you a couple of keys to success for chemistry this year, because chemistry is a little bit different than the other science courses you've taken at Murphy before. Chemistry is the first course in which we really treat you a little bit more like college students. In this course, 60% of your grade is from your test scores. And an additional 10% is from your quiz scores. Which means that a substantial amount of your grade comes not from the work that you do every day, but from your ability to demonstrate your knowledge about chemistry in a test or quiz situation. And that means that there are certain things you have to do in chemistry in order to be completely successful. The first thing that you absolutely must do in chemistry is keep up. Falling behind is deadly and will result in really poor test and quiz scores for sure. This is especially important because of the way I'm teaching the course this year. We are doing something called flipping the classroom, where you will be learning individually new chemistry skills throughout the year and then coming into the classroom with questions, being prepared already to practice all chemistry skills at least on a basic level. If you don't do your homework every night, you won't be ready for class and class won't make sense to you. You must, absolutely must keep up. In order to help you keep up, use your unit calendar. We'll give you a unit calendar at the beginning of each unit. It'll describe what we're doing every day in class, what problems in the book we'll be working, and you should use that to make sure that you are keeping up. If you're falling behind at some point, you absolutely must come see me. The third thing you can do to help is to use your textbook. We'll be using the textbook every day in class, but mostly as a resource for problems that you need to solve. When you are studying at home is when you can use your textbook to great effect by reading. It's everybody's favorite activity with a science textbook. But your chemistry textbook has excellent explanations of all of the concepts and skills that you'll need to know to be successful this year. Use it well. The next thing that will help you is to work on your homework on the day it's assigned. Because we have the block schedule, your homework will be assigned on a red or black day, and you won't have class again for at least 2 more days. Do your homework on the day it's assigned. That way, if you have questions, you can come and see me. It'll also be easier for you to keep up if you do this on the day when it's assigned, because if it takes you longer than you anticipated, you have a little bit more flexibility and time to work on it. If you do have trouble when you're coming in, or when you do your homework, and you do it on the day when it's assigned, you have time to come get help. Come ask me. I'm here before and after school every day. I'll help you solve any problem that you have difficulty with. Just make sure that you check with me in advance to make sure that I don't have other students coming in for a different topic. The last thing that will be helpful to you in chemistry is to use Moodle. On Moodle, there will be posted videos like this one that you'll have to view in order to prepare for class, but there will be also other videos, like videos from the Khan Academy, PowerPoints, links to quizzes, practice material that you can use if you are having trouble with specific concepts. So make sure that you go to Moodle, use that resource all the time, because there's a lot up there that can help you with anything that we're covering during this year. If you can keep these 6 things in mind, you will have a successful year in chemistry. Thanks, and I look forward to the start of our first unit.